Running an Instagram contest is one of the most powerful ways to boost engagement, grow your audience, and create a buzz around your brand. First, set a clear goal for your contest. Do you want more followers, increased likes, or user-generated content? Once you define your objective, you'll know which type of contest to run. Maybe it's a photo challenge, a giveaway, or a creative caption contest. Next, decide on an enticing prize that will excite your audience. It could be one of your best-selling products, an exclusive experience, or even a shout-out on your page. Make sure your prize is relevant to your brand, so you attract followers who are genuinely interested in what you offer. Now, it's time to lay out the rules. Be clear and precise. Explain how to enter, the start and end dates, eligibility requirements, and what you expect from participants. For example, you might ask them to follow your account, like the contest post, and tag a few friends in the comments. To maximize your reach, encourage sharing in stories or using a unique hashtag created just for your contest. Promote your contest with eye-catching visuals, bold captions, and of course, with Famety's engagement-boosting services. You can boost your reach even more by collaborating with influencers or brand partners. Conclude your contest by picking and announcing the winner in a transparent, exciting way. Thank everyone for joining and invite them to stay tuned for future opportunities. Finally, analyze your contest's results. Track new followers, engagement, and any user-generated content. With Famety, you can take your engagement even further. Get more likes, reach a wider audience, and grow your community with ease. Ready to spark excitement and grow your Instagram with your next contest? Famety is here to help every step of the way.